I'm using ChatGPT in my daily life for editing textbook or read some bloggers. It's very helpful. So I continue find some exciting discoveries. Okay, for example, I can ask the ChatGPT to improve my writing. So I copy. Normally I use a notepad as a place to draft. I know some spelling is wrong. Yeah, see, we use GPT. Okay, click. Try to improve. Yeah, ChatGPT and or human mind. So you can use improve or editing. Yeah, I found. Nice. Okay, let me give the one life story. Yesterday I tried to update my dictionary, editing the English and the Chinese textbook is one of my important job. So I keep collecting the data to inside my Excel is my database to improve my dictionary on daily basis. So yesterday I ran into a phrase. Okay, like this one, the Chinese idiom. The previous I can only give the explanation, something like this. For example, if you use Google Translate, so wait and see. Wait for the rabbit is not really the meaning. If you use the Google search, okay, you can have the Chinese one. I see English. Blah blah. Nobody said by sitting around waiting things to happen. Yeah, okay. But if I use the meaning of, so if you hear write in English, they will give the explanation in English. 守株待兔。It's a perfect explanation. So yesterday when I read it, I immediately to update this kind of things inside my database. My database, I think is I add 35,000 new entries or modify all new entries. Okay, let me try another one. It's one Chinese saying. 兔子不吃窝边草。I'm lazy, just copy paste here. Okay, click enter. Don't eat the grass around their burrows. To describe situation, someone avoid getting involved in any affairs or relationship that is too close to home. In order to prevent conflicts of interest, maintain blah blah. It's quite nice explanation. is another usage of the ChatGPT. For example, if 守株待兔 I ask in Chinese. Let me change to Chinese. 的意思是they'll give the meaning everything in Chinese. So you can use ChatGPT not only to ask questions, also can use for like a dictionary, online dictionary. But here this one word's wrong. Not to bite. The translation is to bite the trunk. For rat, to bite the stump, not bite, to hit on the stump. So something wrong. But you cannot 100% rely on it. If the ChatGPT can fully replace a human being, so what can we do, right? Yes, we still need our human beings' brain to step in. So the ChatGPT can help us to do some routines, jobs, and write-ups. But the creativity, the idea, still from our brain.